Beneath the roots where shadows weave, the forest breathes what we can see. Tiny threads of ancient dreams, sun whispers through the fallen leaves. They speak in codes of earth and dew, connecting me, connecting you. We are one, we are many. Hidden hearts, soft and steady, breaking down to build again. Life begins where death